Hello and welcome. Today we are going to show you how to create a doubler bobbin and torque motor using FreeCAD. This tutorial is very simple and perfect for beginners. The doubler bobbin is used in rope manufacturing, and in this video we'll also show you how to work on a torque motor spindle through an animation. Let's begin. First, we'll create the larger flange of the bobbin. Open FreeCAD and go to the sketcher, select the XY plane and click OK. Now choose the circle tool and draw a 50mm circle. This will be the base of the flange. Close the sketch. Next, create two more circles with diameters of 50 and 46mm as shown. Close the sketch. Then open another sketch on the XY plane and draw two circles for the middle tube as shown. Close it. Add one more circle of 30mm to fix the metal frame. Finally, create a ring with diameters of 40 and 38mm and close the sketch. Building the bobbin flange. Now go to Part Design and create a new body. Move all your sketches into this body. Using the Pad tool, extrude each sketch one by one. Thickness 3 mm, then apply the chamfer tool to smooth the edges. The first circle 6 mm and smooth the edge with the fillet tool. The next sketch length 70 mm with reversed checked. The third circle 5 mm. The fourth length, the ring length 5 mm At this stage, the large flange and the middle tube are ready. Let's make the smaller flange on the opposite side. Create a fifth sketch on the XY plane and draw a 40 mm circle. In the sixth sketch, draw two circles of 40 and 36 mm. In the seventh sketch, draw a 30 mm circle. Now create body 1 and move these sketches into it. Transform body 1 to the opposite side. Extrude them as follows. Fifth sketch, 4 mm with fillet smoothing. Sixth sketch, 2 mm reversed. Seventh sketch, 2 mm reversed with fillet smoothing. Now the outer shape of the bobbin is complete. Adding support ribs and rings. Create body 2 on the XY plane. Draw a rectangle on the big flange. And extrude it to 4.5 mm. Smooth the edge with fillet. Then go to the draft workbench, modification, array, polar array, set the number of elements to 8. Reset the center point and click OK. Now the inner flange has 8 support ribs. Making the stem and middle rod. For the stem, create body 3, draw a 26mm circle and extrude it to 10 mm. Copy and paste it to create body 4 on the opposite edge. For the middle rod, create body 5, draw a 26mm circle, extrude it to 42mm and position it. For the outer support, use body 7 with the polyline tool to draw a rectangle with rounded corners. Extrude it 7 mm. Apply polar array with 4 elements. Use boolean cut to trim as shown and copy it to the small flange side. For the central rod, create body 8, draw 2 circles and extrude them to 70 mm. For the holding circles, create body 11, draw small circles between the half circles, extrude them and apply a polar array with 4 elements. Perform a boolean cut to create 4 holes. Repeat the same process on the small flange. Now the full bobbin is ready. Motor and spindle. Next, let's build the torque motor with spindle. Create body 25. Draw two circles 30 mm and 6 mm. Extrude 8 mm. Smooth the edges and apply thickness for the bearing slot. Duplicate it to make both covers. Create body 27 with two circles 30 mm and 60 mm. Extrude and chamfer both sides. Create body 28 for the cooling fins. Use the polyline tool, extrude 28 mm, fillet the edges, then make a polar array of 28 elements. Now the cooling fins are ready. For the base, Create body 29 as a rectangle with curved edges. Extrude 28 mm. Add elliptical bodies, body 30 and body 31. Cut them with Boolean tools and position the base. For the shaft, create two shafts of different lengths, 50 mm and 70 mm, one with thickness for a hole, and insert them into the motor body. Now the motor and shaft are complete. Place the bobbin on the shaft, connect the motor, and once power is supplied, the bobbin begins to rotate. And that's it. We have successfully created a doubler bobbin, demonstrated its use with a torque motor in FreeCAD. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more FreeCAD content. Feel free to leave a comment or ask any question below. See you next time.